Are you running a spa or a massage business? Then this video is for you, because today I'll show you how to add your spa and massage business leads to Google Sheets automatically and in real time. So assume that I'm running some ad campaign on Facebook for my spa and massage center, for which I have also created this Facebook lead generation form. Now whenever a new person will submit this inquiry form, the details will be collected automatically to this spreadsheet. But in order to automate this lead capture process, firstly I will have to build a connection, build an integration in this Facebook lead ad form and in this Google Sheets application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add spa and massage business lead to Google Sheets automatically. Now it is asking to select the folder, so I want to create my automation workflow in this main workflow folder, so I have selected the same. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find toolboxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new lead is captured via this Facebook lead ad form, then automatically collected that lead information in this Google Sheets application. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting the same application as an action application, and in this way by clicking on this plus icon you can add as many as action steps as you want and automate your complex business process. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect these two applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect the Facebook lead form with the Pabbly Connect and capture the lead data here in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So for that, firstly I'll have to select the trigger event, that is new lead instant. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. So yes, I want to perform the same, so that is why I have selected the same, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection. And if you are connecting Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect for the first time, go with the new connection only by clicking on this button, and then it will ask you to provide the access of your Facebook account in which you are running ads. But because I'm already logged in here, so it has detected that access automatically and the authorization is successful directly, and my Facebook lead ad account is also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. Now I'll be selecting which particular page. Okay, so the name of my page is this, the salon and spa. Okay, so let me search for the same, the salon. Alright, so this is the same page. Now as soon as I select the Facebook page here, whatever the lead generation forms are associated with this page will also start visible here in this lead generation form drop down. Okay, here you can notice I have this 3 form. Okay, let me even show you the same. This is my page. Firstly I'm going to click on this Meta Business Suite. Alright, give me a second, I'll show you everything step by step. After reaching out to this Meta Business Suite, make sure the same page should be selected here. Now click on this all tools section, and after that you will have to find out that instant form which you will find at the bottom, instant forms, and in this way you will reach out to the lead ad form section. Here you can notice the same forms are visible here also. Okay, give me a second. Yes, this salon query destination and the salon also. Okay, but here you can notice one more option, that is all lead generation form. So currently I'm not interested with this specific option. Okay, so I'll go with the same. So how about I select this lead generation form, that is the salon. Okay, let me even show you the same page by clicking on this particular option. Okay, so you can notice this is the same image which I have shown you initially. If I will click on this arrow, you will be able to notice other option of this form. Okay, so currently I'm going to close it because the same form is already opened here. Now coming back to the dashboard, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response. response. Okay, so here I would recommend you to kindly read the instructions very carefully. Okay, it is clearly written that please note that after clicking the save and send test request button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ads by clicking on the preview form button and by filling out the form. Okay, so basically it is asking to generate a sample submission, and here the sample submission means creation of a new lead in our Facebook lead ad form. Okay, and how I can perform the same, because I am not running any live Facebook ads. These ads are just into the draft mode, so don't worry. Using Facebook lead ad testing tool, I am going to make a dummy submission. Now how you can also make use of this lead ad testing tool, kindly click on this learn more option. This is the complete documentation. You can read everything and you can also reach out to that specific Facebook lead ad testing tool. Okay, simply scroll down and you will find the hyperlink here. Alright, you can also reach out to this Facebook lead ad testing tool via Google. How about I currently close this particular page, and here exactly you will find all the page names and all the associated forms. Okay, so let me search for the same which was salon. I'm really sorry. All right, and here we have the form name also, so let me select the same. Now as soon as you click on this preview form, the same form will be opened. From here you can generate a dummy lead. Okay, but the same form is already opened here, so how about I generate the dummy lead from here only. So clicking on this next button, all right, it is saying the number is not correct, so let me remove the extra numbers. Clicking on this submit button also, and as soon as the submission is successful here, you will notice that the same form submission data will be received here as a response. Okay, fingers crossed, and here you can notice the response is received, and it is the same first name, the same phone number, the same email address. We also have the timing and other details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between this Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead is generated in this specific Facebook lead ad form, the same lead data will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to collect the same lead information in Google Sheets. So the application is already selected. Now I just need to select the action event, that is add a new row. Yes, firstly a new row will be added, and in that new row the data will be collected automatically. Okay, just like I have connected Facebook lead out form with Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect this Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect. So again, if you are connecting Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect for the first time, go with the new connection, click on this button and provide the access of your Google account. But again, I have provided this access multiple times, so I'll go with this existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it is connected, and here you can notice, since we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here. Now again, I'll be selecting this specific spreadsheet, that is the spa business leads. Okay, so it is visible at the top only, and as soon as you selected the spreadsheet, it will ask you to select the sheet also. So I have a single sheet only, so again it has got selected automatically, and as soon as the selection is successful here, whatever the columns you have added inside your spreadsheet, the same columns will be accessible from here also. Okay, so I have added 3 columns here, name, email, phone number, and the same are visible as the field, that is name, email, phone number. Okay, I just need to provide the data here in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and the data will be updated automatically in this spreadsheet. This is the power of automation. Now from where I am going to provide the data, click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, searching for the name which was demo user. Alright, I have mapped it successfully, asking for the email, so let me search for the same, and let me tell you, whatever the details I am providing here via mapping, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, and the details if I will provide manually here will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference in providing the values via manually and via mapping, and that is why mapping plays a a major role inside this automation. Okay, so how about I click on this button and you will notice that the same lead information will be added automatically to this spreadsheet. How about I delete the existing data, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for that response to receive. Well, that response is received and this is a positive response. Going back to my spreadsheet, and here you can notice the same person with the same information has been added here automatically. Let me also correct the formatting of my spreadsheet so that you can see the data very clearly. It is the same name, the same email address, and even the same phone number. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad form and Google Sheets is working absolutely fine with the help of Pabbly Connect. And in order to automate this whole process, you need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step automation workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.